Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your freelance knowledge with Coursera detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Coursera website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your account. Use the search bar to look for courses related to your freelance skills. Explore categories that interest you, such as graphic design, programming, or marketing. Filter results by ratings or difficulty level to find the most suitable courses. Check the course descriptions to understand what each course offers. Read through the reviews and ratings from previous students. Look for courses that offer hands-on projects to enhance your practical skills. Consider enrolling in specializations, which are a series of related courses. Make a note of the course duration and time commitment required. Enroll in a course that fits your schedule and learning goals. Take advantage of any free trials to assess course quality. Set a learning schedule to stay consistent and motivated. Engage actively by completing quizzes and assignments as you progress. Participate in discussion forums to connect with other learners. Reach out to instructors if you have questions about the course material. Utilize the resource materials provided, such as articles and videos. Apply what you learn to your freelance projects whenever possible. Seek out additional resources beyond Coursera to supplement your learning. Continue to explore new courses and updates on the platform regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.